So, welcome to my channel. We will be doing question number 5 in mechanics, chapter 1. Okay, this is a very conceptual question. You see, whenever you have a graph, uh, what you call speed or velocity time graph, right? How do we find the distance? Let's assume velocity was constant for some time, right? So, how much distance we have covered? Let's say I want to make a graph between distance and time. Okay, it's very clear that as velocity is constant, your distance keep increasing, right? So at this point, for example, 3 seconds, how much is the distance? Remember, distance is equal to v into t. So v into t is this much is t, and this much is p. So v into t is the total area here. Right? So the whatever is the total area, that is the distance. So the total area when time was zero is zero. Total area when time is one, it is little bit. When time is more, distance is more. Time is more, distance is more. So basically, we keep finding the area and it will keep increasing for this case. Okay. So in the same way, now we have this condition that a velocity time graph is given velocity up till 6 seconds, it keeps increasing and it increased to 18 meter per second. Okay, and then it start decreasing for next 9 seconds. When it reaches to 15, it reduced to 0. Okay, so at any point where if I want to find the distance covered, I have to find the total area under this curve. Okay, so moving this thing, let's say we want to sketch a graph. We have to make a graph of distance, this is in meters, and time. This velocity or speed is in meter per second. Okay, so you can see that up till 6 seconds, first of all, when time is zero, distance is zero. So we are here. Okay, when time is 6, how much is the distance? That is equivalent to the total area here. And how much is this area? I will calculate it as half, and the base is 6 and height is 18, right? So 54. So up to 6, it is 54 meters, right? And at 15, how much is the total area now? The total area is going to be half, and base is 15, and height is 18. So again, this is 9 and this is going to be 135. Okay, so I'm not making this diagram on scale, but if I make it on scale, then it will be much better. So this is 135. Okay, so 135 meter when time is 15 seconds. But you can see that when in the first 6 seconds, the speed was increasing. So the object was accelerating, right? So it is going more and more distance. So the curve is going to be, this graph is going to be a curve like this, right? So uh, as time goes by, the increase in the distance is for more and more, right? But after from 6 to 15 seconds, the speed is reducing, right? So the object was deaccelerating. So distance is increasing, but the amount of increase is less and less. So from 6 to 15, the shape is something like this. Uh, yeah, okay. So when we are close to 15, the distance is increasing, but little bit. In the beginning, it was increasing fast. Okay, so this is how we make the graph, distance time graph from velocity time graph. Hope it's clear. If you ever have any questions, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.